Give me that toy. Give me that toy. Give me that toy. Oh, give me that thing. Give me that thing. Give me that thing. Give me that thing. Silly boy. Whoop, don't fall in your water. Oh, did you make it? Huh? That's his little perla bed. This is his room. Frogs, of course. Just using a crate tray for his litter pan. And this little crate. Toys. And puppies. And here's his roommates. Or next door neighbors, whatever way we want to say it. Hi, puppies. Hi, puppies. That's Johnny. And that's Chloe. And they're a month younger than he is. Well, almost a month. Puppies. What are you guys? 3 weeks younger, I think. What? What? What do you got to say, Chloe? What do you got to say, Chloe? Milton, what you doing? What you doing? You got that moose, huh? What are you doing? What a silly puppy. What a silly puppy. Don't drag it in the litter box. You get shavings everywhere. Little monkey. Yeah, gotta love the sound effects. Is that fun, huh? Is that a fun toy? Is that a fun toy? He's pretty tired. He's already been playing with the other two kids. It's about nap time. Maybe. Anyway, I just wanted to show you what his room was like, so have an idea of how it's set up. Little crate and his litter pan bowls and his little perla bed. And of course lots and lots of toys, huh? Lots and lots of toys. I keep a full spectrum light in here, so even in the winter time they can get enough, at least simulated sunshine. Goodbye. Say bye. Say bye. Can you show them how you sit so well? Huh? Sit. What a good